Knowing that we're going into hurricane season with a newborn, I know that I can power appliances like a refrigerator with the Ryobi power station. Gives me so much peace.
And that power station also has 8 battery spots so that you can plug it into any general house outlet and it'll charge all of the batteries with a little LED screen telling you what battery level it's at.
We've been hit by some big hurricanes over the past few years, so we take our storm prep very seriously. In addition to food, water, and safety kits, we have some essential tools and supplies from Ryobi that allow us to live in our home even after we have lost power. Their 18-volt tripod stand light can light up multiple rooms, while their 40-volt Whisper Series air cannon keeps us cool without the loud noise of traditional large fans.
Electrical outages are very common with severe weather like this. Ryobi's battery-powered cooler is a perfect solution for keeping perishables fresh during a blackout.
I hope all of you stay safe this hurricane season and also prepared.
Storm season can be scary, but with the right preparation and the help of Ryobi, you can trust that their tools will get you through the storm.
Stay safe, stay cool, and stay powered up with Ryobi.